hello everybody, my name is Luciano Barbieri. I am a Leo booster and member of the management committee of Leo in Brazil. I'm here today to give continuity to the series of Leo dialogues, interviewing Ludovic de Hauteville, who is the managing director of SIG in LAM. So Ludovic, tell us, among all the actions that were identified as prioritary and validated in LAM MCM, which is the one that you are personally piloting, and what are the main objectives?
So the one I am in charge together with Luis and Jacqueline is to improve the communication between manager and the team. This is something that has been expressed in mainly all the workshops that we have done in Latin America. The idea here is that we want to further communicate about two things, about the strategical vision of Alstom, and we believe it is especially important today in the context that we are passing through, where a lot of things are happening in the competition, and also to improve the communication of our targets. What are the targets that we are defining in order to remain number one in Latin America? What are the targets in terms of orders, of sales, of gross margin, of cash, of free cash flow? And we believe that the idea is that everyone feel more accountable by sharing more about the targets. Communication is not only discussion and face-to-face meeting, it is also via KPI, for example.
Can you give us a concrete example?
So, in Agua Blanca, for signaling teams, for example, we defined that all the managers will publish on a monthly basis where do we stand versus our objective. So it can be order if we talk about the tender team, it can be gross margin and contract margin if we talk about project, but it is also different type of KPI that we are defining in the engineering team, in SMP, in innovation, and this kind of activity. Another point that we believe there are a lot of things that are being done. There is, for example, a lot of initiative of innovation on which we are working on. There are a lot of improvement, reflection which are done to improve our processes, to provide some tailoring rules to overpass some processes in some specific context. And we believe that we should improve the communication on what we are doing to improve our competitivity.
Great. And regarding all the other actions that were also defined, which are the main added value and benefits of those actions?
Well, I think globally speaking, all those actions are having a single purpose, which is to change the mindset of the people. Leo, it means entrepreneurship, and it means commitment, deliver our commitment. And for entrepreneurship, we want people to be more flexible, we want people to be more proactive, and we want people to be more competitive at the end. So, as we mentioned just before, there are some actions on communication. There are also some important action on process simplification that we want to do in all transport activities. We want to share the best practices between all the activities, between different countries. I think this is also something fundamental that we should keep. And another essential one, which is promote and develop empowerment of the people, which is a fundamental aspect of what we are looking for at the end.
So Ludovic, you personally, as part of a member of the management committee of LAM, why do you believe in Leo, and why Leo is so important to all of us?
I think we have changed the organization. We were before in an organization which was centralized, and we are moving to an organization which is empowering the region. And this is in line with the 5 pillars defined at Alstom transport level, to have more customer proximity, to be more local in the region, to be more flexible in the region, to be the preferred partner of our customer. And this is a quite important change of mindset. People were in the past used to work with a central team. A lot of decisions were taken centrally on even on the gross margin or on the QCD of a tender, but also on the day-to-day activities to do some purchasing or different things. So we are talking about an important change of mindset, and when we talk about change, we need to support the people in order for this change to happen. So, and Leo is really a different type of actions at all levels that we are launching in order to follow that people are changing, because we need, again, people mindset need to change in order for our objective to be reached.
Okay, thank you very much and thank you for sharing. Let's go, Leo.
Let's go.